glad to be back. And everybody, I'd like to introduce you to somebody. This is Penny.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Penny.
Welcome home, dear. I've been thinking. I'm getting long in the bill, and I think it's time to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my youth. And from this day on, let the red band be known as the signature.
Yes. What? I made it through Thanksgiving.